Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix mic not working on REPO or REPO. Now simply right click on the speaker icon here, then go to sounds and go to recording, then simply click on the microphone that you are using and click on set default. Now, if that didn't work, let's try another solution. Try this solution. Now search up for privacy. Here click on privacy settings, then go to microphone. Now if this is off, simply turn it on and then look here for your app. Also if this is off, turn it on also. Now simply click on your app if it is here or check it if it is here. Now if this didn't work, simply right click on the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, go to your audio and inputs, then right click on the microphone. Click on Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. And those three solutions should fix your problem, and that's basically it.